Rivers people, biggest losers. Fubara in precarious situation, says Tonye Cole. The All Progressive Congress candidate in the 2023 Rivers governorship election and the co-founder of Sahara Group, Tonye Cole, has stated that the people of Rivers State are the losers in the ongoing political crisis in the South-South state. Speaking during an interview on Channels Television's Politics Today on Thursday, Cole asserted that development has become stagnant in the state following the battle for supremacy between Governor Siminalayi Fubara and his predecessor, Nyesom Wike. Cole, while reacting to the judgment of the Court of Appeal that affirmed the ruling of the Federal High Court in Abuja that voided the presentation and passage of the 2024 budget for Rivers State, he said, as it stands right now, the people of Rivers do not matter in the equation that is being played out. If the interests of River people were on the table, we wouldn't have even been where we are today. This entire fight is political, and it has to do with a very small political family. As we speak today, there is no development. The political battle is affecting the poor man on the street. Cole said Fubara is in a dangerous political situation that is affecting governance in the state.
Now, Rivers State is in a very precarious situation right now. The judgment of the appeal court has taken everything almost back to status quo. And now we have an issue where you have an assembly, a House of Assembly, that is contrary to the governor. You ask a question as to whether this is attainable. The governor finds himself in a very precarious political situation.
He further emphasized that we have a state where the governor is PDP, the House of Assembly based on the court case is APC, and you have a local government structure that is APP. So, you have three different parties running the state, emphasizing that Fubara finds himself in a very precarious political situation. We will continue to keep you updated with latest breaking news stories from NaijaNews TV. Stay tuned.